Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 3rd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, country with weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at the storm system here moving across the country. You can see high pressure pretty much dominating from Texas to the Carolinas, Florida region as well. You can see we got activity in the northeastern U.S., stretching from over here toward Nova Scotia to New Brunswick to Maine, all the way down towards Pennsylvania, over toward Michigan, and then more activity out west from the Dakotas, all the way down toward Nebraska, Kansas region, back to Washington, Oregon State, California regions. You can see the flow is continuing to push to the west to east. Right now we're pretty much in a zonal flow pattern at this time, but that may change with more snow cover coming across much of the lower 48 over the next 16 days, and we will show you that in tonight's video as we get closer to the end of the forecast video. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got some snow from Vermont to New York State, the portions of Lake Huron, Michigan, Lake Superior. Also got more snow from North Dakota to Montana to Wyoming to Washington, Oregon State, portions of Nevada. We got some heavy snow in portions of Northern California and Oregon, also in Idaho and Montana. We got some mixed precipitation in Idaho to Wyoming to Utah to Nevada, portion of California. We got some heavy rain and flash flooding possible in the red slashed area. Got some shower activity down from Central California to the southern portion of Southern California. Mixed precipitation of Wyoming and Colorado. We got some mixed precipitation, freezing rain from Kansas to Illinois. Shower activity from Kentucky to Missouri, all the way down to Louisiana and Mississippi regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, now here's your Wednesday forecast. You can see we got snow up here around Lake Superior to Wisconsin to Minnesota, through the Dakotas to Montana, back over to Washington, Oregon State, portion of California, Nevada, and Idaho region. Got a few pockets of heavy snow with portions of Idaho, Washington, and Oregon State along coastal areas. Mixed precipitation there as well, stretching down into California. Pockets of heavy snow in California region. Also mixed precipitation in Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, and also Colorado. Again, from portions of Iowa down southern Minnesota through Iowa to Missouri, all the way over toward D.C., Rhode Island, up to Vermont, New York, portion of New York State, also around Lake Superior as well. We got a big area of freezing rain possible from, like I say, the same areas from Wisconsin all the way to Illinois, Missouri, all the way far east to D.C., Delaware, Virginia, to Pennsylvania. Even got some thunderstorms and showers along the outer banks of North Carolina through North Carolina, upstate South Carolina to Alabama, back to Missouri and Arkansas. Shower activity across portions of Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to your current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories, cold weather warnings in effect from Montana to Idaho to portion of Oregon State, portion of Washington State, also in California. Wind advisories there with flood warnings, flood watches there as well. Also some high wind warnings, wind advisories, blow with dust advisories over areas of Nevada, wind advisories over Utah. Even got some avalanche warnings in portions of Wyoming and also Idaho region. Also, dense fog along the Gulf Coast from the Texas coast all the way over toward Mississippi, Alabama, and also Louisiana coastal areas. Also some over here along the coastal areas of the Big Bend of Florida, Florida Keys, up to South Carolina coast, east coast of Florida, all the way up to the Outer Banks, North Carolina. Winter storm watches in effect for Pennsylvania. And also we have some winter weather advisory, special weather statement for New York State, Vermont, and also in the portions of New Hampshire region as well. Small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and then along the California coast, also around the Hawaiian Chain Island. High surf warnings there as well. Also around the Alaska area with winter weather advisory inland. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 3. Just had some general thunderstorms from Pittsburgh down toward Memphis and Greenville, Mississippi. Just some general thunderstorm, no severe weather at the time issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Alright, here's the snowfall totals over the next 16 days. Heaviest snow over southeast Canada, also into Maine, also even up from portions of New York State, down into Virginia, even North Carolina, getting some heavy snow there. A little bit of snow reaching all the way in the upstate South Carolina, around the Charlotte area as well, back into North Georgia, and then heavy snow also from Michigan back towards the Dakotas, also out west around Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, Utah, also Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Montana, also like I said through the Dakotas, Minnesota, with also Missouri, you're included as well. Anybody pretty much along that I-10 corridor and I-20 corridor as well, pretty much south of there, pretty much no snowfall at this time. So, but anybody north of there, you may get some snowfall in your vicinity. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful, wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.